Hi guys, today we are going to learn skill 13. It is about reduce adjective clause. Reduce adjective clause mempunyai ciri-ciri berikut ini. 1. Setelah who, or that, or which yang diikuti dengan be yang biasanya ditambahkan dengan adjective or noun or prepositional phrase. Who, that, which, dan be-nya bisa dihilangkan, tinggal adjective, noun, atau prepositional phrase-nya saja. For example, Raihan, who is unhappy with this condition, tries to adapt the situation. Raihan as the subject, is unhappy with this condition as the adjective clause yang menerangkan Raihan, tries as the verb. Menjadi Raihan, who is-nya bisa dihilangkan menjadi unhappy with this condition, tries to adapt the situation. Or unhappy with this condition, Raihan tries to adapt the situation. Di sini, unhappy with this condition adalah reduce adjective clause yang menerangkan Raihan. The next examples, Barack Obama, who is the former president of the USA, was an active college student. Barack Obama is the subject, who is the former president of the USA, as the adjective clause yang menerangkan Barack Obama, kemudian was as the verb. Menjadi Barack Obama, who is-nya bisa kita hilangkan menjadi the former president of the USA, was an active college student. Or we can say the former president of the USA, Barack Obama, was an active college student. Di sini, the former president of the USA adalah reduce adjective clause yang menerangkan Barack Obama. Next, Sri Mulyani and Susi Pujiastuti, who are from Indonesia, are the extraordinary women. Sri Mulyani and Susi Pujiastuti adalah sebagai subjek, who are from Indonesia adalah sebagai adjective clause yang menerangkan Sri Mulyani and Susi Pujiastuti, kemudian a adalah sebagai main verb-nya. Menjadi Sri Mulyani and Susi Pujiastuti, kemudian who-nya bisa kita hilangkan menjadi from Indonesia are the extraordinary women. Or from Indonesia, Sri Mulyani and Susi Pujiastuti are the extraordinary women. Number 2, setelah who, or that, or which yang diikuti dengan be yang biasanya ditambahkan dengan verb ing atau verb 3, who, that, which, dan be-nya bisa dihilangkan menjadi tinggal verb ing atau verb 3-nya saja. For example, Najwa, who is interviewing some doctors, gives some tips to her audience. Najwa as the subject, who is interviewing some doctors adalah sebagai adjective clause yang menerangkan Najwa, gives as the verb. Menjadi bentuk ringkasnya, Najwa, who is-nya bisa kita hilangkan menjadi langsung interviewing some doctors, gives some tips to her audience. Atau interviewing some doctors, Najwa give some tips to her audience. Interviewing some doctors di sini adalah reduce adjective clause yang menerangkan Najwa. Next, the juice which is drunk by many people contains some vitamins. The juice as the subject, which is drunk by many people, is the adjective clause yang menerangkan the juice, contains as the verb, some vitamins as the object. Menjadi the juice, which is-nya bisa kita hilangkan menjadi langsung verb 3 yang maknanya pasif. The juice drunk by many people contains some vitamins. Or drunk by many people, the juice contains some vitamins. Drunk by many people adalah reduce adjective clause yang menerangkan the juice. Number 3, setelah who or that or which yang diikuti dengan verb 1 or verb 2, who, that, dan which-nya bisa dihilangkan. Verb 1 atau verb 2 diganti menjadi verb ing. For example, Kirana, who has many fans, visits Indonesia once a year. Kirana as the subject, who has many fans as the adjective clause yang menerangkan Kirana, visits as the verb. Menjadi Kirana, who-nya bisa kita hilangkan, has-nya menjadi bentuk have ditambahkan dengan ing, having. Kirana having many fans visits Indonesia once a year. Atau having many fans, Kirana visits Indonesia once a year. Di sini having many fans menerangkan Kirana. Next, Kate, who took Arabic course, likes learning languages. Kate as the subject, who took Arabic course adalah adjective clause yang menerangkan Kate, likes as the verb. Bentuk ringkasnya adalah Kate, who dihilangkan, took menjadi take ditambahkan dengan ing. Kate taking Arabic courses, likes learning languages. Or taking Arabic course, Kate likes learning languages. Now it's time to practice. Number 1, the 4-character drama who is afraid of Virginia Woolf, blah blah blah, by Edward Albee, opens on Broadway. What do you think is the best answer? Oke, kita lihat di sini ada the 4-character drummer who is afraid of Virginia Woolf. Oke, di sini ada tanda diapit 2 koma. Berarti itu adalah sesuatu yang menerangkan the 4-character drummer who is afraid of Virginia Woolf. Verbnya adalah opens. So, the best answer is C. Written by Edward Albert as reduced adjective clause yang menerangkan the 4-character drummer who is afraid of Virginia Woolf. Oke, kenapa bukan B? Kalau B itu mestinya which was written, because we talk about the four-character drama Who is Afraid of Virginia Woolf, not about the person. So the best answer is C. The next example, blah blah blah, New York and New Jersey, the George Washington Bridge opens to traffic in 1931. Kita lihat di sini. Oke, ada the George Washington Bridge, subject, kemudian open, di sini adalah verb. Oke, kemudian ada tanda koma sebelumnya. Oke, berarti kemungkinan dia adalah reduced adjective clause. Oke, dan yang menjadi reduced adjective clause yang di depan itu bisa connecting New York and New Jersey. Oke, the best answer is A. Oke, kenapa bukan which was connected? Kalau which was connected itu harus diletakkan di tengah setelah noun. Oke. So A is the best answer. Next, David, blah blah blah, with the result, keeps studying hard to reach his goal. Kita lihat David as the subject. Oke, kemudian di sini ada tanda diapit 2 koma. Kemudian di sini ada verb. Berarti di sini adalah sesuatu yang menerangkan David. Nah, do you think A is correct? Who's satisfied? It is not correct because it must be who is satisfied. Karena satisfied adalah adjective. So A is not correct. Oke. Kemudian satisfied. Nah, that is the correct answer karena ini adalah bentuk ringkas dari who is satisfied diringkas menjadi hanya satisfied saja. So the best answer is B. Oke, kenapa bukan C? Kalau C nanti ada double verb. Is satisfied dan keeps. Kenapa bukan which is satisfied? Because we talk about a person, that is David. It must be who is satisfied. Thank you for watching. I hope you can understand it.